Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's the era of tech. One interesting invention in electricity is the electric transformer. What it is? A transformer is a device that changes the voltage level of alternating current, either increasing, which is step up, or decreasing, which is step down, without changing the frequency. How it works? It works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. When an alternating current flows through the primary coil, it increases, changing the magnetic field in the iron core. This magnetic field induces a voltage in the secondary coil. The ratio of turns in the coils determines how much the voltage changes. The voltage ratio is the voltage of the secondary on the secondary terminal over the voltage on the primary, which is V1, which is equal to turns of the secondary winding over turns of the primary winding. Let me repeat again. The voltage ratio is the input voltage of on the transformer over, it is output voltage over input voltage, which is equal to the number of turns of the secondary winding over number of turns of the primary winding. Why it's important? Transformer made long distance power transmission possible. Electricity is generated at the power stations and then transmitted at high voltage to reduce power loss, and later stepped down to safer levels for home and industrial use. For example, when electricity travels from power plant to home, step-up transformer increase voltage for example from 11 kilovolt to 220 kilovolt for transmission. Step down transformer reduces voltage from 220 volt to 230 volt for domestic use. Impact is that without transformers, we couldn't efficiently send electricity over long distance. Modern power grids, cities, and industries would not function as they do today. Okay. The invention behind the electrical transformer is based on the principle of electromagnetic induction, discovered by Faraday in 1831. Faraday found that when a magnetic field around a wire changes, it induces an electric current in another nearby wire. This principle of electromagnetic induction became the foundation for many electrical inventions, including transformers, electric generators, and motors. They are key inventors who developed the transformer. Faraday in 1831 discovered electromagnetic induction, the quasi-scientific principle. The second one is Louis Goulard and John Dixon Gibbs in 1882 built the first practical transformer prototype. Third one, William Stanley in 1885 improved and commercialized the transformer for power systems. Fourth one is Nikola Tesla in 1887 up to 1888 developed alternating current systems that relied on a transformer for efficient power transmission. In few words, invention behind electromagnetic induction by Faraday in 1831 developed into electric transformer by Goulard, Gibbs, Stanley and Tesla. The result was enabling efficient transmission and distribution of AC electricity worldwide. Thank you.